Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Samsung runs Android 8, 0 or higher, and has at least 5 GB free. This ensures Gboard installs and runs smoothly. Once connected to Wi-Fi and signed into your Google account, open Google Play. Tap the search bar and type Gboard, then tap Install. Do this now so the app downloads while you prepare the next settings. This step avoids permission interruptions later and speeds up setup, because downloads finish before you configure the keyboard. Once installed, go to Settings, right arrow General Management, right arrow Keyboard List, and Default. You enable Gboard in the keyboard list. This lets the system recognize it as an input option. Make sure to accept permissions like microphone and full access if you want voice typing and personalized suggestions. Permissions explain why features work. After enabling, set Gboard as the default input method in the same menu. This switch makes Gboard active across apps immediately, so you can test it in Messages or Notes. After activation, open the Gboard app to personalize themes, add languages, tune autocorrect, and enable gesture typing. This improves speed and accuracy for your habits. Test typing in Messages and a browser. If the keyboard doesn't appear, make sure Gboard is still set as default and then restart your phone. If it still fails, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall Gboard to fix corrupted files. These steps resolve most issues because they refresh app data and reinitialize permissions and input handlers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.